Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create your account on ChatGPT. So open any web browser and type here ChatGPT. So here you will see the first link openai.com. Open this link. Now here click on try ChatGPT. Now sign up your account with your Gmail. So click on sign up. Select your Google ID or Microsoft account. Give your name and your phone number. You will get the OTP on that phone number. Then send code via SMS. So verify your account using your country code and your phone number. Then fulfill the OTP. Once you successfully done, you will see this interface. I will show you. You will see this interface. To try something, just type here like what is Apple. So you will see it will give the you information, and there are some more options. In the second video, I will show you how to use properly this chat GPT. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.